Welcome to this tutorial on why use Venmo notifications. Venmo is a popular peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money. One of its key features is the notification system, which keeps users informed about their transactions. To start using Venmo notifications, you first need to download the Venmo app and set up an account. Once you have an account, you can start sending and receiving money. Whenever a transaction is made, Venmo will send a notification to the user's phone. This notification will include the amount of money sent or received, the sender or recipient, and a description of the transaction. Using Venmo notifications provides several benefits. Firstly, it helps users stay on top of their finances by keeping them informed about every transaction. This can help prevent unauthorized transactions and ensure that users are aware of their account activity. Another benefit of Venmo notifications is that they provide a paper trail of all transactions. This can be useful in case of disputes or if a user needs to track their spending. The notifications can also serve as a reminder to users to review their transactions and ensure that everything is in order. In addition to these benefits, Venmo notifications can also be customized to suit a user's needs. For example, users can choose to receive notifications for every transaction, or only for transactions above a certain amount. This allows users to control the amount of information they receive and prevent their phone from being flooded with notifications. Best practices for using Venmo notifications include regularly reviewing transaction history, keeping notifications turned on, and customizing notification settings to suit your needs. By following these best practices, users can get the most out of Venmo notifications and ensure that their financial information is secure. In conclusion, Venmo notifications are a powerful tool for managing finances and staying on top of transactions. By understanding how to use these notifications effectively, users can take control of their financial information and ensure that their accounts are secure. By customizing notification settings and regularly reviewing transaction history, users can get the most out of Venmo notifications and enjoy a seamless payment experience.